Most people think the Oak Island mystery is about a treasure, always just out of reach. Yet, after over 200 years and dozens of excavations, the real treasure might be something else entirely. It could be the island's geological puzzle itself, with its mysterious layers and flood tunnels. We are talking about a location that has swallowed fortunes, claimed lives, and inspired a reality TV show running for over a decade. This isn't just a story about digging for gold. It's about an engineering marvel, or perhaps a natural deception, that has kept the world guessing. In the next few minutes, you'll understand how an unassuming island became a globally recognized enigma. The core of the Oak Island enigma is the legendary money pit, discovered way back in 1795. This isn't just a random hole in the ground. Early excavations revealed clear evidence of human engineering. Searchers found layers of logs, buried at remarkably regular intervals deep underground. Imagine finding these, perfectly placed, every 10 feet or so, suggesting a deliberate construction. Then came the famous 90-foot stone. This stone was discovered 90 feet down, reportedly inscribed with cryptic symbols, fueling theories of buried treasure. These early discoveries set the stage for centuries of obsession. A quiet island was transformed into the epicenter of a global treasure hunt. The intricate structure indicated something was intentionally hidden, secured, and protected deep beneath the surface. It was designed to withstand time and, as it turned out, persistent human curiosity. The question wasn't if something was there, but what, and how to get to it. This structural complexity alone made the pit a fascinating, almost defiant, challenge to every generation of searchers. The money pit's greatest defense and the primary obstacle for treasure hunters is the alleged system of flood tunnels. These aren't just minor leaks. They are supposed to be an ingenious, complex network. The tunnels are believed to channel seawater into the pit, making excavation incredibly difficult, if not impossible. Teams today are still trying to locate these mythical tunnels leading to the money pit. Ongoing excavation at Smith's Cove, for instance, focuses specifically on finding their entry points. The constant inflow of water has thwarted countless attempts, making progress slow and incredibly expensive. Every time diggers get close, the pit fills with water, as if an unseen guardian is protecting its secrets. This water problem isn't just an inconvenience, it's the very heart of the money pit's enduring mystery. It transforms the treasure hunt from a simple dig into a battle against sophisticated, perhaps ancient, hydroengineering. Some theorize the tunnels are an advanced booby trap. Others suggest they are natural geological features mistaken for man-made defenses. Regardless, the water ensures the island holds its secrets tightly. But that's not even the best part. The most interesting is still ahead. But that's not even the best part. The most interesting is still ahead. Enter Robert Dunfield, a petroleum geologist from Canoga Park, California. Dunfield first learned of the Oak Island mystery as an 11-year-old, reading an article in the Denver Post. This early fascination simmered for decades. By his late 30s, he had accumulated significant professional experience in excavation and subsurface geology. Dunfield believed he could solve what 2 centuries of treasure hunters had failed to crack. His professional background gave him a unique perspective. He had an unwavering belief in his abilities to tackle complex subsurface geology. He was an operator of his own oil geology consulting business, making him no stranger to large-scale digging. Dunfield arrived in Nova Scotia in July 1965, while Robert Restall was still conducting his search. He had invested money in the latter stage of Restall's operation, specifically to explore Restall's theories about the flood tunnel at Smith's Cove. He corresponded with both Restall and island owner Melbourne R., meticulously preparing his grand assault on the money pit. His plan was ambitious, bringing heavy machinery. He was convinced that modern geological techniques and powerful equipment would finally expose the island's secrets, where shovels and sheer will had failed for generations. In 1965, Robert Dunfield initiated the largest excavation in Oak Island's history, bringing in heavy machinery previously unseen on the island. This was not a subtle, careful exploration. This was a full-scale industrial operation. His aggressive approach meant digging an enormous shaft, hundreds of feet wide and deep, fundamentally reshaping the island's topography. Dunfield literally moved mountains, or at least a significant part of the island. While his ambition was to solve the mystery definitively, his methods permanently altered the landscape. This dramatically changed future search efforts. The scale of his impact was unprecedented. His methods have since divided opinion among Oak Island enthusiasts and experts. Some view him as a bold innovator willing to take the necessary steps. Others see him as a destructive force, possibly destroying critical evidence in his zeal. Dunfield's massive dig, unfortunately, did not uncover the legendary treasure. Instead, it left a lasting legacy of debate and a significantly changed physical site. His colossal undertaking demonstrated that sheer power might not be the answer. In fact, it might just complicate things further for everyone else. Yet, his legacy still influences today's research, forcing new strategies. And trust me, the most significant changes were yet to come. Fast forward to January 5, 2014, and the premiere of The Curse of Oak Island, a reality television series. This show brought the mystery to millions worldwide. As of November 4, 2025, 231 episodes have aired. The program is currently in its 13th season. This longevity is remarkable, underscoring the enduring appeal of the mystery, even without a definitive resolution. The television series itself has become a fascinating artifact of the mystery. It is a continuous narrative stretching over a decade, documenting the ongoing efforts of brothers Rick and Marty Lagina. Their search combines modern technology, historical research, and a healthy dose of hope. They tackle the challenges of the island, including its relentless flood tunnels, with a camera crew in tow. The show has generated immense public interest, keeping the legend alive and funding continued exploration. It effectively transformed a historical curiosity into a pop culture phenomenon. This modern era shows that even without finding treasure, the quest itself can be a goldmine, at least for television producers. The island's mystery now has a global audience, watching every new theory and every small discovery with bated breath. So, after centuries of searching, massive excavations by figures like Robert Dunfield, and over 200 episodes of a popular TV show, the core treasure of Oak Island remains elusive. Yet, the mystery endures, evolving from a local legend to a global phenomenon. The island continues to reveal just enough to keep the hope alive, a true testament to the human desire for discovery and adventure. The U-shaped structure and the ongoing battle against the flood tunnels remind us that the island is a constant geological and engineering challenge. It provides something far more valuable than gold, a continuous narrative. It is a story of human perseverance, ingenuity, and the enduring power of a good mystery. This grand endeavor truly represents a modern-day odyssey.